Just like how they have Bible study at church, we're going to have Bible study at All right. What's up, people? Hey, everybody. What's going on with it? Let me get on YouTube so I can see you guys' comments live. Live chat. What's up, everybody? I see you, Oklahoma City in the building, Houston, Texas. What's up? Are y'all ready for something that y'all haven't seen in how long? Let's see, how long has it been? Let me see. Carry the one. It's been like about
It's been a long time.
11 months, something like that. It's been a long time since we've done a live session. Ryan and I have to trade anyway. So tonight we're going to do something different for you guys that we have not done on the TTA platform just yet. I need to upload something real quick. Hold on.
They said the dream team back again. You know.
Hurry.
What's up, y'all?
I need something real quick. Hold on. Give me a minute.
Okay. What's up, everybody?
What's up? So, I feel like we should start with some announcements.
Sure. What's some announcements, Maxine?
So, Ryan's still light skinned, y'all. I'm kidding.
Maybe it's because I cut the beard off. You know, I look extra light skinned out these days, you know.
Oh my God, that's funny. All right, let me see if I can. All right, so I'm trying to. Let me see.
Let me see. Huh?
Trying to add something. Yeah, y'all see how he trying me saying my name? He does that on purpose because he know it pisses me off, you know? So it's like...
I would never.
He does.
I would never.
It's okay.
Y'all want to rock with this with Asian session? We haven't done the Asian session.
Yo. No, I'm trying to show them the
what?
The flyer for our masterclass, and it's like...
Do you want me to do it?
I mean, if you want to, you can.
It's not that hard. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, look. Let me show y'all. Let me share my screen. Okay. When you go to the Trade Authority and you go to...
You can go to feature. It is right there. Just scroll down.
Right here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's talk about it, everybody, before we get in the market real quick. So Ryan and I are doing an intensive next week starting on Sunday. Okay. Sunday through next Saturday. So the 17th through the 23rd, only $77. You have to be a part of our community in order to gain access to this. You guys want to definitely go to thetradeauthority.com. If you're not already a part of our community, please join. It is free to join our community. We've dropped major sauce in the last 5 weeks. It's been amazing. but we want to offer you guys and like what I would say, like a sneak peek of what's to come in May. So we've been delivering all this free sauce. A lot of people been asking if the free content is going to stay. The free course is there. Everything that I add to the free course will stay there. You guys still will get a free masterclass from me or Ryan each and every single week. We will do that. The schedule will slightly change for that because we want to be trading with you guys on the new platform. So our new mentorship is called TTA Premium. That is coming in May. However, next week, we want to bring you guys through a variety of things. Okay. So there's a lot of different ways to learn how to trade. However, the way that Ryan and I are going to teach you is obviously, some of you all know already, you're not going to get it anywhere else. Right. So that's why we're doing an intensive. It's 7 days of just jam packed signals, live sessions, advanced concepts, fundamental and weekly analysis. And there's a lot of things that I'm not going to say on this live that we're doing next week, but you're going to get a variety of training. Ryan, you want to talk about it?
Yeah, it's really just jam packed, guys. It's I would say a concentrated, condensed boot camp. That's really what it is, right? It's like every day we're doing a few things with you, and instead of usually maybe getting a few live sessions or a week, and then the next week of maybe a few signals, we're just cramming everything together in a 7-day curriculum for y'all, a very structured curriculum, so that 7 days you get so much value out of just rocking with us for 7 days straight. Every day we're doing a bunch of things for you guys.
Right.
So it's really a way to get Max and myself fully for a whole week, because we're going to be working with those students as well, like, with that whole group for like 7 days. So you guys will be basically like our students for 7 days that we're working with you and trying to get you to that next level in a very small amount of time. So
Right.
we're going to give you everything that we can in that small 7 days, right? And we're trying to figure out a good price point. We're like, hey, we don't want to overcharge, we don't want to undercharge, but we want to make it affordable that everyone can get in and really get the value and feel like it's way, way, way worth the money that they spent. So we came with $77, though super fair for everybody, especially for everything that we're going to drop on that week. And I promise you, it'll be 10 times, you'll make that money 10 times off of the knowledge that we give you. So hopefully you guys get it. Again, it will close like April 23rd
16th.
with the 22nd or midnight of the 22nd,
Midnight of the
I think,
16th.
or the 16th. I'm sorry, of the 16th. So the midnight before, so that's going to be like the Saturday, the Sunday, so whatever. But the day before, it's going to close. So you might want to get in now. Um, and we won't be accepting people after that point.
Saturday.
Okay, yeah. So like, if you're trying to get in April 18th, that's a no. If you try
No.
to get in the middle of the week, that's a no.
No.
Okay, if you want the recordings from that week afterwards, that's a no. Okay,
No.
you got to get in now. All right, it's like, come on. And whoever gets in, even if you miss a day or two, you will get the recordings and content for that day and have that forever. So
Forever.
you basically get the 7 days and you get the content for those 7 days forever.
That's like
Okay.
so saucy. So a lot of people are in the chat asking if this intensive is appropriate for novices. So yes, it is, because you should already be inside our free course. So we're going to take what we have given in the free course and I'm going to amplify it all the way to another level for you. So you should already be familiar with the content, with the trading plan. Once you get inside of the free course, you need to go through that for real before we get started. So there's going to be a lot of evening sessions, a lot of master classes. The whole week is not beginners. Again, on the flyer, it says advanced concepts. So we're going to really show you guys what it is. You know what I'm saying? So there's going to be some things that you're going to need to do day one. There's going to be things that you need to do day two. You get what I'm saying?
Right.
I believe that Ryan and I both have the capability of walking anybody, no matter what level you're on, through You know what I'm saying? Learning how to trade, right? It's all about being obedient and following instructions and
Right.
showing up to the party, right? So I don't want you guys, I know there's a lot of people that have been messaging me. I got a message from somebody from Germany. I got a message from someone in the Caribbean about the schedule. Don't worry about that. Get inside
Mhm.
and get started with us. If you miss something, you can rewatch the replay immediately. That's what we're gonna do for you guys.
Right.
Because a lot of this intensive is instructional. So you see the description says an intensive curriculum. Don't sign up if you're coming in here to play with me. I'll tell you that right now. Those of y'all who've been mentored by me personally, you already know we're not playing no games. Sunday, homework.
Right. Off
Monday,
rip.
there's homework.
Off
Like
rip.
day one.
Trade
So
plan.
trade
Beginning of
plan
the week. Off rip.
needs
Like
to be done, needs to be turned and
everything.
submitted. Like, yeah, so this is going to be you guys are going to see what our mentorship is really going to look like. So the intensive again is going to be an overview of the entire mentorship. So we're going to literally jam pack the 7 days with everything that we're bringing to the table. So I think it's going to be fire. For
Yeah.
real.
So it's that simple, guys. You know, I appreciate all of y'all. Um, I don't have to
Ariel
like
said, "Not here for play facts."
right. So if y'all want to get on that, which I highly recommend, get in
Right.
now. I posted the link, so you guys should see it if you want the direct link to go and buy and purchase.
Ernest said,
Um,
"Can you amplify what's in
right.
TT already?"
Y'all already know. There it is. Okay, very
So,
simple.
yeah. So tonight we want to take y'all all the way back to when Ryan and I was doing this for free, where we was over here giving the sauce, where we was getting on charts. We're gonna give y'all a real trading session tonight. Are y'all ready? Because I'm ready. I'm ready to get in the
I
market.
think they're ready. I think they're ready.
Us. So real quick before we get in the market, I know there's some people on here who haven't necessarily followed us for the past 2-3 years. So I just want to quickly state that when Ryan and I are in the market trading live, we're really not looking at the chat like that. If you do take any of our trades, please use proper risk management. We do our best to explain risk management. Do not ask us for the TPs and stuff because it'll be on the chart. Just kind of have fun with us, kind of watch us as we're talking it out. Also, we like to have fun, so we hope that we don't offend anybody. I do need to say that because it was this one time. All right, we're not gonna go into that. but
Why you gotta bring that up?
I'm just saying, I'm just trying to go over, because we didn't have a written checklist, down. But I just want to let y'all know we like to have fun. Please use proper risk management. If you are not yet live trading, please, practice on demo. It's okay. So let's get in the market, y'all. Let's have some fun. Am I starting this off, or you want me?
Yes, you're starting it off.
I'm starting it off.
Miss I got mouth. Come on, let's go.
Oh nah. So that's what you're doing. That's
what we're doing. Come on.
We on. That's what we on. Okay, share my screen. Ryan be trying me like yo. Yeah.
Don't mind her, y'all. So you feel me? Don't mind her.
Yeah.
Let's get to work. You feel me?
Trying me. All right, so first and foremost, y'all, let me get on. Let's do a quick market analysis. So I kind of want to break down a few things about how I perceive the market, what it is that I do, and I'll go into this more during the intensive next week. But there's certain things I do before I even get into the market. So today is Tuesday. Today's a great day to trade. However, we want to be advised that there is a lot of news. So before you go into the market, you want to make sure that you're doing some type of economical or fundamental analysis on what is going on inside the market. So real quickly, I just want to take a look at Asian session for today. I'm seeing that there's 10 p.m. NZD news, which is the New Zealand dollar. I don't trade the NZD, so this is irrelevant to me. However, it does not mean that there won't be market fluctuations at 10 p.m. So we want to be aware of that, but I don't plan on being in trades that late anyway. Okay, so let's get on the charts really quickly. Close this. Okay, so I'm not looking at your pair. Let me go to Asian session real quick. I have a whole watch list for this session, so let me go to my pair, which is Euro Odd. And I might need to pull up a different chart. Who's this with? FXCM. Let me go to maybe forest.com. All right, so let's do a really quick TDA, which is a top-down analysis or multiple time frame analysis on Euro Odd. Okay. Another thing I'm gonna say also, I'm reading the comments here. Y'all just keep an open mind. You know, everybody don't trade the same just because you do something that I don't do. It's cool. You know.
It's all good. They love the energy. They know what's up.
All right. So what I'm doing right now, I like to look from the top down. So right now I'm on a monthly time frame, and hopefully you guys can see. I'm not gonna wait for the comments because we kind of want to get in the market. So I'm just gonna talk you guys through what it is that I'm doing. So on Euro Odd right now on a monthly time frame, I'm looking at a line graph. Okay, so what I like to perceive on my charts is I like to look at market structure without the candlestick. So I probably won't look at candles until about the 4-hour time frame. And right at this moment, I can see that we are in a very solid downtrend, and that downtrend started in March of 2020. This is the most recent monthly high. I'm trying to move fast here, y'all. Just give me a second. Right side, bop, bop, bop. All right, we're gonna duplicate this real quick. Okay, this is the most recent monthly low. Okay. All right, so we're in a solid downtrend. Hopefully everybody can see that. That's the only information I need to see on the monthly. Then we're gonna move over. I really don't need the weekly chart. Let's go to the daily. Daily. Okay, first of all, I need to go backwards. I need to mark that this is let's change the color. So I color code everything, you guys. I'm very organized like that. So that's gonna be my monthly trend line. I'm just gonna know that it's red. My daily trend line, let's make this a solid blue. Okay, so we're absolutely bearish right now. There's no question about the trend. Nobody should be buying Euro Odd. And then on the 4-hour, what I want to do now is kind of want to identify some zones here. So let's look. And zones are forms of support and resistance, right? They just have a little bit more validity than actual support and resistance. So let's take a look. Like there's like no information here. Let me go up to a higher time frame. What is going on? What's funny, Ryan? Something funny?
Yo, okay, that's what we're doing. Because I can act like there's not 255 people on here. Like, don't play with me today.
Just trying to understand what's funny.
Okay, just making sure, y'all, because does she want to act up today? It can be that type of party. You see, Elizabeth, you already know. Max and Ryan, like, you already know.
Yo,
what's up?
Listen, you gonna calm yourself down. I'm trying to focus for the people. Okay,
we focus.
We trying to get into the market real quick. So calm yourself down. All right.
What's up?
All right, I need a line graph real quick. Let me see where current price is at. There's like a huge gap here. Holy crap. All right, I see levels here. So I need to, y'all just bear with me 1 second. Typically when I'm getting into the market, I usually do this beforehand, but it's been such a long minute. Trying to see if I see any more zones here. It's just so much, like this gap is extremely huge. Like, holy cow. Okay. Candlesticks. All right, let's see what we see up in here. I might actually just keep these lines for now Because I'm saying, okay, the monthly low, how price respected that. Looking at structure. Okay, so look at this. My daily trend line is actually being respected on the 4-hour time frame. Everybody can kind of see the market structure here. If not, I'll turn it on for you with my special tool. Let's do lower highs and lower lows. Boom, bop, bam. Boom, bop, bam. Throw that up on there. Okay, cool. So now we're seeing the market structure for Euro odd, that the market has really been creating lower highs and lower lows, like literally I say since February of this year. A little bit before that, obviously, this daily trend line is coming from a higher place, but we can see that the structure is being respected and respecting these support and resistance areas. So for this session, okay, Asian session, because we're trading EA Euro R, which is one of my pairs that I actually like.
Mm,
Um,
okay.
Let me make this a little bit more transparent. We're looking to sell Euro odd. Okay. So
Ooh. Ooh.
Ryan,
Are we? No, I'm just asking.
we're looking to sell Euro odd. So what I'm looking at right now is y'all, I'm a big fan of price channels and session breaks. So I'm gonna actually move this. Why is it looking like that for me on the hour? I'm gonna actually go to the 1 hour time frame, and I want me a price channel. Ryan, could you at least look at the comments? Like I'm trying to work here.
I'm looking at something more important. My
All right,
charts.
all right, all right. Sorry, y'all. You can't look at the comments right now. What huge gap? Oh no, the huge gap doesn't mean anything. It just, price has just not been in that area for a while. All right, so looking at this, I taught this in a free course. We know that price, respects parallel support and resistance a whole lot more than it does the horizontal support and resistance. And right at this very moment, I think that we have, let me see something. What's today? Tuesday. This was Monday. That was Friday. Hold on a second, y'all. I'd like to look at this. Let's look at how the week started. So the week started to push up bullish, but the overall trend is bearish. Do we see any patterns on the 4-hour? Oh, there's a beautiful M here. I hope you guys took this sell. If you look at Euro odd, this was a nice sell off. And it's just this is a continuation right now that I'm seeing on EA. So let's look for an entry. So right now we have 5, 6, 7. We're in a 7 p.m. candle. I am a swing trader, but I will give you guys some metrics for the sell off here for EA. So let's look on the M15 time frame. Okay, the M15 time frame. All right, and I see another M. Okay, which I like to trade M&Ws a lot. So what I'm looking for is for price to break this low. We're going to set an alert. So I trade break of structure. So we can see that market structure was coming down, gave you a fake W, which they do that, right? I would like to see a bearish candle close below this wick, below this level right here. All right. And so we're going to cross down. I need my sell that. Boom. All right. Then let's look at our trade. What does our trade look like? Short. Okay. Let's look at previous structure. I need to go up to a higher time frame. Okay. Okay. Ooh, what did I do? My bad, y'all. No, that's not the right one. Is it the right one? No, that's not the right one. EuroOddForex.com. Okay. All right. So this is what we're looking at for a quick TP real quick. You literally can like snatch like 20 pips out of EA real quick and get out. It is Asian session, so I will put my stop loss above the high, something like that. Nice little like 1 to 2 risk to reward on this trade here. So this is what I'm looking at for EA. Something real quick and easy. Okay. So we'll wait for that to go off and then I'll take that sell with y'all. Ryan trades AJ and AJ's bullish. Jesus.
Hell yeah, I'm already in buys in it.
And AU, I think, is going to follow the same trend. UJ, I have not traded in a minute, but it's bullish. GJ, we'll see what's going on with her because she kind of irritated me today. But this is what I'm looking at for Asian session. I'm looking at this. I keep clicking on the wrong chart. Sorry, y'all. That's my personal chart. Let me add this to my watch list. Add Asian session. All right. So what we like to do is wait for the market to come to us. We don't like to rush any trades. There's some other confluences that I use, you guys, but this is just a basic trade setup. And let's see, we have 28 seconds left for the next candle form. So let's just watch this chart real quick. And let's see what the next candle, and then we're going to hit market execution and we're going to use proper risk management on that trade, on this trade. I really, really like the way that this looks.
Yeah. Just so y'all do know, I am in a buy on AJ, y'all. So I'll let you guys know my markup in a second, but you can wait for a potential pullback. But I'll explain a little bit. But go ahead, finish with the EA.
I'm pretty much done. I'm getting ready to trade.
Okay.
That was easy. You can go show him your
AJ.
Mm-hmm.
Sure. I do like AJ for the buy. I'll show y'all.
All right.
Share my screen. Look at the chat, bro. No, I'm looking at my charts. What are you talking about?
Yo.
You see what I'm talking about, yo? Like,
just get on the chart. Just
what's
get on
more important, y'all?
What's more important? The chat. I had to make sure that they didn't have any questions or anything. I'm reading the chat. School. So
that's
annoying,
all I hear, y'all. That's all I hear. Anyway, Euro odd. So this AJ for me. Y'all can see my screen. See? Okay. So I like AJ for the buy. I do have it going up probably another 12 to 20 pips from here. My entry was roughly around this area, a little higher. You can still buy, I believe. Your stop loss, you just want it to be below the structure, which is like right here around this area. So at the let's say the 9-3, I'll type it out for y'all. Actually, that's what we'll do. I'll type it out. Is this the 93.366? Hey, there we go.
AJ looks nice.
I know it does. It's my pair. It always looks nice.
So annoying. Chill.
Somebody tell her, like, what?
So annoying, dog.
Do you understand? All right. So yeah, y'all. This is what the stop loss looks like. TP1 will probably roughly be right here. TP2 will be right here. So I'm kind of expecting AJ to do something like this right here. Okay, look, something like this. Pull back, TP1, pull back, TP2, something like that. So we'll see how this trade pans out, but it does look really good. Just like Matt said, it is overall bullish. We're in an overall bullish trend. There is a lot of confluences here. There are some things going on here that is just showing me like market structure is holding, right? Like overall. So I do like it. It would also be congruent with her EA cell, which Max is telling y'all to do, and I like the EA cell as well too. So for AU, I do like AU, but I'm not trading. I think that AJ is going to be a better
Hey, you
buy.
look choppy right now.
Yeah, it looks choppy, so that's why I'm just sticking with AJ. I like
Yeah.
AJ for the buy way more than AU for the buy. So you can actually wait for a pullback. I think a little bit on AJ might pull back from here, maybe a good 3, 4, 5 pips, and then pop up something like that. Or you can take a small entry and kind of just let it ride out. But the overall trend is up, so it should pop up. It should pop up, you know. Especially once like 8 o'clock hits, 8:30 prime time, like
Right.
New York session. You know, once the volatility kicks in, it's like it should start to move.
Let me
So,
let me publish. So one of the things we want y'all to do is follow us on TradingView, especially those of you that are going to be inside of the intensive next week, because we're just going to be dropping charts. So I'm gonna publish mine, and Ryan, if you want to publish yours and send it out as a signal, whatever. I'm gonna
oh yeah,
publish.
sure. I'll publish it.
Um,
Let's see here. On the 15th, we can publish it, and I'll put the UI buy setup. And Asian session, and our long category analysis. We'll put AUDJI, public, and recent. Okay.
okay.
Publish, and I will. Let's see here. I will copy, paste it, and let's go to.
They want a breakdown of why you are bullish on agent.
Why I'm bullish? Oh no, I don't know if I can give that away. That might be too much.
I'm crying. You're so
All right.
annoying.
I am, you know, that's the beautiful thing about me. It's like I'm a sour patch, you know. Feel me? I'm sweet and then I'm sour. All right. All right. Let me break it down for y'all. Break it. All right. So, can y'all see my screen now? Y'all can see my screen? Wait, hold on. No, okay. So, the reason I'm overall bullish on AJ, let me remove some of this stuff right here. Right. The reason I'm overall bullish on it is okay. Well, let's start with the higher time frames. We can just remove all this stuff here and just start with what, like the daily. Let's look at the daily. What is the daily saying, y'all? Yeah, well, this thing's pretty bullish to me. It's pretty bullish to me. What does that look like to y'all? This is stupid bullish.
Yeah, structure is definitely bullish.
Super strong, right? Then we have the 12-hour, which is one of my favorite time frames. You know, it's still so it hit these higher weekly levels or monthly levels here. It's now pressing up to hit that level or break these monthly levels up here, which is kind of like up here, which is you know, let me get like a fresh AJ maybe, so it's easier to just draw on it.
Maybe that'll help.
All right. Y'all like my Max impression? Oh. That's exactly how she sounds. It's like to me, 24/7.
You spit on my water, yo.
Okay, that's legit how she
You can
sounds
eat
to me.
my popcorn and
That
watch
is how you sound to me. Okay. All
my
right. So I have. Oops, wrong one. I have the AJ going up to this daily level. Let's go to the 4 hour since everyone likes the 4 hour. Okay, and we had a break of structure here. So look, we had it popped up once, broke out that consolidation, pulled back, popped again, pull back here. I have it popping up one more time. Where did it pop back down to? Support resistance. Yay! Stuff that we teach you all the time. Yay! I know.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They don't know.
You know, it's like, wow, is the markets that easy? Yeah, it is. Yeah, you know.
You're so annoying.
So I'm just saying, like, it's really not that complicated, y'all. Right? It's really not that complicated. You have your stop loss beneath this level, you're good to go. There's no way you're gonna lose it. You know what I'm saying? You have it below this level, there's no way you're gonna lose. All right. Because it might pull back. The most it might even pull back is, let's say, a good 10, 12, 13, 14 pips. But it ain't dropping no 20 pips, 25 pips. It's not breaking that structure there. No way, Jose. No way, Uncle Jesse. It's a full house, you know? So we just have really good confluences, right? The market sentiment is overall bullish. It has made 2 waves up, you know, or 2 pushes upward. So the market still has like another, it's last mile. You feel me? It's like you're on your final lap in the marathon. You got 3 laps you got to run. You ran 2. You're on your last lap. You're like, I'm tired, but you got one more in you. Okay, and that's what AJ's on. So on his last lap, it can pop up to its previous weekly or monthly levels. It can surpass it, but it still has bullish momentum. It's still very much there. So I would love to buy AJ, especially it being Asian session. We all know that AJ gets volatile during this time. JPY start to react very nicely. So we're going to take advantage of that. So again, I'm already in the AJ buys, guys. You can get in it. I think that it's a very good trade. Okay. It's really not that hard. Did I really just, I just broke it down to you very simply. It's not too hard, right? It's 1, 2, 3, ABC. If only I was taught that when I first started.
Y'all laughing at me? I'm just listening, just like y'all.
Oh, really? Are you eating popcorn? What are you eating? You're really eating skinny pop. Uh-huh.
Okay. Go ahead, finish what you were saying.
Right. Okay, skinny pop. Okay. Okay. Can you not crunch while I'm talking? Like, mute yourself. Okay. Actually, she don't need to. I'll do it for you. There you go. Just thank you. You know what I'm saying? This is much better for me. Do y'all hear that? It's called a quiet Maxine. Oh, beautiful. Tranquility. Peace.
My name has been Coach Max since 2018.
Like I said, peace.
The fact
tranquility.
That you keep on
okay. You see, hold on. Just let me zen for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, okay, that's all I needed. All right, you can mute yourself now.
You about to get on timeout. Like, for real.
Woo. Y'all feel me? Do y'all feel me?
You play too much.
I don't play too much.
You play too much. See, now I see. I told you before we came on here to behave yourself in front of these people.
I am behaved. I'm a very nice, light-skinned gentleman man. What are you talking about?
Anyway, we're going to get back to... Let me put this away, please.
Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm done my AJ, so go ahead. Don't you got UJ or something? What's up? What's up with UJ?
Don't try me. You know I have not traded UJ since, like, 2022 started, so cut it out.
I'm just asking.
Irritated my soul.
But, I'm in the EA cell too, though, by the way.
I'm sure you are.
Oh, I am.
Because my analysis was so much on point. Now, wait, hold on. Is that shade? Hold on, wait. I need some more. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Hold up. Because I'm going to have to tell him. I'm going to tell him what's up. Let me just drink some water. Right now?
What? I was... No, just a natural reaction. That's all.
Was that shade?
No, never.
Because last time I checked, okay, I was one of the best traders in the industry, period. 100,000 students all over the globe. Try me again. Now, you better put some respect on my name in front of these people. Real talk. Okay, I told you behave yourself because I'm on 10 today. You understand? My nail tech was acting up. There was a lot going on today. All right. Now, where we at with it? Can I take the screen from you, young sir?
Anyway, y'all, this workout I did earlier, yo,
Nobody cares about that.
I'm just, no one cares what you were talking about.
Anyway, this is how y'all follow us on Trading Views. So you definitely want to come over to search our names. You can go to Coach Max. So you want to come to my name, type Coach Max. This is me. And then you're going to come to my profile and you're going to see follow. It's going to prompt you to follow. You can see all of my charts, how long I've been on there, all of my trade ideas. I usually post an analysis as well as the direction in which I am trading in. And you get to click on my charts and exactly see what exactly I'm talking about in real time. Okay. So this is how this is where I posted it at, and then as the trade plays out, you'll be able to see that. Okay. If you want to look up Ryan, his trading view is Ryan Grimes. This is his name right here. There he goes. You can go to his page. You're going to see follow. You can follow him. And he'll post his setup. See, he just posted AJ for you guys, and we'll be posting a lot next week. So it's just going to be really more structured and organized for you guys to come and see our charts this way, as opposed to it getting lost in the community or getting lost somewhere. So this is like really important. So it's as you guys are on TradingView as well, make sure that you're following both of us so that we can, show you guys what we got. Okay, you guys can see our reputation and stuff and what we have going on as far as TradingView is concerned. So that's that part. What was I looking at? So you did AJ for the buy. Oh, that is a nice W right there.
I know.
This one though is a fake out for sure. This one right here. This one. So not all M's and W's, you guys. I'm gonna go over pattern is not true. This one right here is definitely not one that I would be paying attention to, just because the overall channel is bearish. So until we get something like this, then I say like we're headed in a bullish structure. But let's look at some other stuff. I don't really trade EJ. However, AJ, EJ, UJ, GJ, all of the JPYs right now are more than likely going to be bullish for Asian session. So we can look at EJ, we can look at GJ. Their GJ goes right there for the buy. UJ is super bullish. This would have been like a perfect swing trade. Man, look at this W. You see this, Ryan? March. Look at this. Telling y'all, these are the trades I like. 350 pips. My God. These are the trades I like. But it's really nice. UJ's bullish. So all these trades, you guys, I'm pretty much letting you know. So one of the things that I do with my watch list, and this is on a pro count, I usually change the color for my sentiment. So if I see something, I'll change the color to red or green so that I know, exactly what it is that I'm looking at. So all the JPYs, in my opinion, they're going to be all bullish right now. Like all of them. So if this is on your list and you want to make sure that you're also trading, I can go into the not topics but courses. You guys can see why we're looking at certain pairs during this time. So we have inside the free course, we have this correlation sheet that we created for you guys so you can see during Asian session, which is right about now, what you should be trading. So all of these JPY pairs, Swiss Jappy, the CAD Jappy, the Odd Jappy, GJ, NJ, UJ, are all probably going to be bullish at this time, probably for the next several hours. But let's just be mindful about the NZD news. If you have like Euro NZD or NZD JPY, by 10 p.m., you should probably get out the market. That's just in my opinion. Okay, so that's bullish. Your NZD is it looks exactly like Euro odd, so I'm definitely bearish on her for sure. This used to be one of my favorite pairs, low key.
Why don't you like it anymore? That's a good question.
I had to minimize my watch list so that I can focus on other things to make more money.
Okay,
So I
fair,
couldn't.
fair enough. I mean, because you were always good at UJ. That's what I'm trying to say.
You know, you just really trying to get me on one tonight. So I stopped trading UJ because I started swing trading. And because I started swing trading, I needed to make sure that the pips was worth my time if I'm going to be in the market 12, 16, 24 hours or more at a time. So if I'm staying in the trade for 1, 2, 3 days, like I need to be catching major pips. So I switched to
Makes sense.
Geraldine, is what I call her. So that's just the difference.
All right.
Um, Odd NZD is consolidating. I'm pretty sure that when this news pop up is going to break out of this range, this sideways structure. So those of you that are inside my free course, this is consolidation. And you guys know what I tell you about consolidation, to embrace the trend. And so it does appear that we are bearish as far as what's going on inside of the consolidation. However, because there's news on the way, this can easily break out in either direction, right? Because news does that. I was looking at, what pair was it? I think it was GU. I was looking at GU today during London session. GU did some craziness, right? So GU today, because of the USD news earlier, right? So we see that GJ was in a bearish structure going down. I don't know if you guys saw this in the market earlier, but GU selling. I was in a sell somewhere around here, sold it. Right, news came right around New York session, and this one candle, y'all. This is why you need to pay attention to fundamentals. This one candle was 40 something pips. So if you were in a sell, thankfully I got out of it. But if you were in a sell, right, you're following structure and everything like that, but you're ignoring fundamentals, right here, 8:30 a.m. this morning, and your stop loss, let's say your stop loss is, 15, 20 pips or whatever it is, and you don't TP like you're supposed to, guess what happens? You get knocked out because of news. So you have to be careful, all right? Paying attention to news. And then after news came at 8 a.m., it just went right back into its direction. Sometimes price will do that. Okay, so we just need to pay attention and just be sure of what's going on. What somebody's asked me about Euro USD. Although this is not its session, the overall euros right now are bearish. Okay. So the euros right now are bearish. We can see that. Who asked that question? Thomas Berry. The euros right now are bearish. Okay. So we should be looking for sells until there is a change in market structure. So what you want to do is draw a parallel channel, okay, and allow price to follow this channel until it either is going to break or keep going down as a continuation, or we're going to have a breakout and market structure will change and price will go in a different way. This is essentially where Euro USD is at. So it's super bearish right now. You shouldn't really be looking at anything but sells. And in the last, let me see, for 16 hours, there was a bearish engulfing on the 4 hour, which is kind of confluences that I look for when it comes to really selling the market. So it's continuing, but right now it's Asian session, so it's going to consolidate till about 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay. I'm not muted, right? No, I'm not muted.
You're not muted. You
Oh,
good.
somebody is. Okay.
You good.
Can we share our watch list for Sunday? No, because we're probably gonna look at a lot of different pairs. Our watch list, just, mine is different from Ryan's. Like we trade different things, right? But the intensive won't matter because your watch list. What will matter is your watch list, not ours. This is about you guys.
Well, your watch list definitely depends on your schedule, and
That
what type of trader you are.
this right
Those are
here.
like the most important things,
Mm-hmm.
because you have to figure out for yourself, okay, um, when am I going to trade? What's going to be my main session? Is it going to be New York? Is it going to be Asian? Is it going to be London? What days am I trading? Is it going to be in the middle of the week, the end of the week, Sunday? Like these are all factors and variables that you have to put into your trade plan.
Mm-hmm.
Um, that's why even though Max and myself can trade the same pairs, we don't trade the same pairs because, for one, we don't have the same schedule and we don't have the exact same type of style. So you have to cater the pair and the session that you're trading with your schedule,
Right.
right? So, and what side of the world you're on. Like, I know people in London, you probably can trade London session way more than people in the US. You could
Mm-hmm.
probably trade, New York session a little bit easier. So, I would say just wherever you are in the world and you're in life, whatever time is best for you, pick 2 or 3 pairs that correlate with that session for you to really master. And that's really the starting point of just finding a good watch list for yourself. So like for me, for instance, for agent session, I'm really gonna look at AJ, I'm gonna look at AU, I'm gonna
Mm-hmm.
look at gold and just pairs like that. And you can figure out what pairs work best for you for your particular session. That's all. You
Mm-hmm. Wrong time frame. My bad, y'all. I'm looking at like my other pairs. My bad. So my main pairs right now, I have like uh GJ. I look at gold a lot. GJ and gold. Occasionally I'll trade GU and Euro odd, but for the most part, I have GJ and gold on my watch list.
That's a fact. You love gold. You love GJ.
I think she's gonna push up. JPY is a bullish, but Geraldine is a special senior citizen, so we just gonna let her ride because she be doing her own thing, and that's because she's a part of the Pound family. So we gotta let her just warm up a little bit.
So who gave JPY that name?
I did
Okay.
Geraldine
All right.
because older women are stubborn, and sometimes she can be look at this foolishness, then break out.
This. Okay. So
That's why.
basically, you're calling her an older woman. Is that what you're trying to say? Because maybe you just don't know how to handle older women. You see what I'm saying? They just need a little bit more tender level. A
Okay.
little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like you just got to
Oh,
take your time.
okay.
You know,
Okay.
you know.
I'm not
Take your
even gonna.
time. Don't rush GPJPI. You feel me? Just, yeah, eh,
How
she
about
don't.
gold slapping my TP? Let's go. Um. Let's see what's up with gold. It's ranging right now, but she slapped my TV though, so I guess it's good. Um, we go back to Asian session.
Gold was really good for the buy.
AN, I'm neutral on JPN. Hi, Nikki. See what's up with her. Nikki been bearish. Nikki been bearish like crazy. Y'all trade JPN? JPN is a vibe.
I like JPN, but
She's a vibe. She is super bearish right now. She probably gonna keep going down. Let's see. I'm surprised this gap hasn't been filled yet. I mean, when she shoot up, she gonna shoot up hard. Yeah, Nikki. She at the bottom of the channel at this support level, so it's like, we wanna definitely watch this. She probably gonna ride up. This is counter trend though, but you know it's an indice, so you can scalp this, you know, to the high pretty much. So watch JPN. I think she got a little bit more way to go, but she might be turning around for real. And if she is, then you're just gonna see it break out, you know, above these highs right here. But beautiful market structure for anybody who trades this indice. JPN for newbies. JPN is a slow indice. Again, if you're new, please refer to the Trade Authority trading plan where it says the major pairs. This is what the newbies, the novice traders, I want y'all to focus on. Everything in bold is what I want you to focus on. Okay, so you pick your time that you can trade and you just focus on the bold first. If you can't trade something that's in bold, choose the other minor pairs, but these are the pairs that you should be trading. If it's not on this list, then you're probably doing something wrong. Okay, to be honest with you, if you're just getting started. Okay. Y'all funny in the chat. Cam Williams has a question. I love to see it. He says, do you move your parallel channel to fit what's happening, like a breakout of the channel? So great question. Let's talk about it. So let's say I have a channel drawn and if price breaks out the channel, then 9 times out of 10, you know, you guys got to remember market structure. So if it breaks out, that means there's a change in structure. Okay. Price typically is not, and if it does do something like this, like it breaks out, then comes back in and does something like this, then this area right here, this will be considered a fake out, right? And then at that time, all you would do is adjust your channel to previous structure. Then it's really like that, so you don't get confused and you find, you know, your other areas of resistance. But if it does this is a fake out. Price very rarely does that when it comes to channels. Now, if it breaks out and continues and keeps going, that's a change in market structure. So I hope that answers your question, Cam. Okay. Which one is slower, JPN or SPX? JPN for sure. I see some of y'all in my comment section dropping signals. Let me please address this real quick. That is absolutely not allowed on our trading sessions. Okay, like don't come on here posting your limits and stuff like that you have. Like that's unnecessary. Okay, you can take your limits on your own, do your own thing. You know, that's totally fine. But we're not doing that.
Negative.
Okay.
That's a negative.
All right. So yeah, we're waiting on, this is why we set alerts, y'all, because we went ahead. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, took an aggressive entry because I already know what EA about to do, but my traders, you know, y'all want to just wait for breaking structure. Okay. Just wait for price to break here, set alerts, go cook dinner, go do something else, and wait for price to come to you. And then at that time, you know, you sell, you do what you gotta do. Okay. All right, that's pretty much my Asian session watch list, y'all. So all the JPYs right now, I see them pushing up. Um, they're all pushing up. They're all bullish.
Mm-hmm.
So 1 hour, they're all very bullish. So UJ's bullish. Um, until break a structure again, but most of the JPYs are bullish. All of them.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if JPN pays more than SPX, Dominique, because at the end of the day, that's gonna come down to your lot size, to your risk management, to your broker. So you know you can't really. Let me say this to y'all. This is wonderful that you're bringing this up. I'm going to stop my stream, my share real quick. Uh, Okay, so let's answer some questions because y'all have a lot of questions. So let me just answer them for y'all. So, um, this right here. If you pick a pair solely on the fact that it's paying you more, then that means that you have a greed factor that you need to address. Because I sat here and I traded UJ for years and it paid me over and over with me just taking 20 pips. So the same 20 pip move that I was doing on a 0.01, you can do on 5 lots and that can be a $2,000 trade for you. So just because it's an indice, don't try to jump on, and this is the issues that a lot of new traders have. They try to jump on US 30 and NAS 100 and they're trying to trade gold because they want a lot of pips, but the same money you can make on that you can make on normal pairs. Okay, so let's try to master, you know what I'm saying, the let's try to master the skill set first before we start jumping on other things. Okay. Kanisha, no, JPY's bullish. So when I say it's bullish, I'm talking about structure. Like that's it. We talking about what the chart say. You know, that doesn't mean you're not gonna have pairs where you have like JPY slash, you know, USD. Like you're not gonna see that. That's in the futures market and we're in the forex market. Right. So you're only gonna see JPY on this side, okay, of the quote. This is what you're gonna see. Everybody clear on that? So you're never gonna see this in the forex market. This is a no, 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 no. So when I say that the JPYs are bullish, I'm talking about what I see on the chart as far as market structure is concerned, meaning that price is showing me higher highs and higher lows at the moment. This is what price is showing me. Does everybody understand that? Price
Mm-hmm.
is showing me bullish structure, meaning it is going higher. It is pushing up. Okay. I hope
Mm-hmm.
everybody understands that.
Yes, ma'am.
Um, you only trade GU. That's fine. If you have one pair, wonderful. Love that concept. Let the market come to you. Can you make the same $1,000 NAS trading EU, sticking with your pen? Absolutely.
By the way, guys, AJ is a good entry now. Hold
Let's
on,
look
let me.
at
Yeah,
it. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. You can take it from me.
let me. Let's see. Uh,
ZCQX, this, yes. Answer to your question is yes. You can make $1,000 on anything. I make $1,000 on AU, on UJ, on EU, on GU. Doesn't matter. See a lot size and the skill.
Okay.
Period.
So okay. Hold on now. All right. So you see how it pulled back into structure. It really rejected this level for me. So I'm really liking AJ. Especially if it remains bullish for me, like I would say in the next 15 to 20 minutes. So by like 8:30, if this thing is pushing up, then we know we're good for the buys. Around 8:30, 9 o'clock, this thing should be moving. This is not a trade that you have to worry about, like, oh my God, I'm gonna hold into London or for the next 5, 6, 17 hours. Like this thing should start to move in the next 20 minutes to hour, or it should show some just like bullish momentum. Let's say that, at least minimum by 9 o'clock. So as long as it kind of just maintains and holds this level here, um, this previous level here that it pulled back to, and it starts to give us more bullish momentum, then I'm pretty happy with the way AJ is going to move. So if you missed the entry, or if you got a late entry, I believe this entry is pretty good. It's kind of similar to my first entry, and I like it. So just letting you guys know, you do have a really good risk reward on it, I think. So it's not bad, not bad at all. Um, that's it. I mean, that's all I'm really showing. I'm not in any other trade besides agent. So
Yeah, I'm just in EA. I see you, Jonathan. Cool, cool. But yeah, you guys. So that's a Ramona. This is a question for Ryan. Ryan, question
that's
right here. So if USD JPY is bullish, does that mean the USD is stronger?
if USD JPY is bullish.
Does that mean that the dollar is stronger?
Um, well, I'm not looking at the dollar in Asian session because it's typically, look what it's doing. Like, look at this. Look at the dollar. Look, that's why I don't really trade dollar sessions in Asian session. Sometimes I will trade AU though, because there are a few times when it will move, but generally speaking, USCs don't move during Asian session. So you can trade UJ, because it is a JPY, and the JPYs move during Asian session. So um, that's why I have AJ instead of like UJ. Because if you're gonna scalp or intraday, it's like you might as well get a pair that's gonna move that session. This is the DXY, so anything dollar is probably gonna consolidate. So that's why AJ is kind of a better buy than AU. You can see there's more volume here. Here's AU, and it's
Yeah.
AU's bullish, obviously, clearly, right? But it's stuttering to move, whereas AJ is probably going to move a little bit smoother and easier.
Mm-hmm.
It's not going to consolidate as much, you know.
It's a
And
good breakdown right there.
yeah,
Yeah.
so
So I am just y'all just seeing y'all questions. It looks like y'all are trying to trade pairs that you don't have any idea how liquid it is, how volatile it is, and how much it can wipe you out if you make the wrong decision. Stop getting into trades that excuse me, into pairs that you feel is going to give you 1,000 pips. You don't need 1,000 pips to make a lot of money.
correct.
Should AU and AJ be moving in the same direction?
Well,
Not
nine
necessarily.
times out of 10, yes, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they have to.
Have to, yeah.
You know, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's just all about understanding currency cross reference. Because just because they're both AUDs doesn't mean they're both gonna go up.
Mm-hmm.
Because if the JPY is really strong and the US dollar is really weak, then yeah, maybe AUD is going to do one thing and AUD USD is going to do another. So yes, you can use them as correlation. There's nothing wrong with that, but just make sure you know what you're doing. So AJ is breaking my level. That's what I like to see.
Let's go.
I'm putting another alert here.
Mm-hmm.
So AJ to pop up again. A little higher. We got EA now finally dropping as well too. It's looking better. Just wanted to retrace a little bit, and now we're on our way to the moolah. Feel
Right.
me?
For those of you asking about my 20 pips and dip indicator, that was something that I offered on a previous platform that I haven't yet decided what I'm doing with it. So that's why it's locked, because everyone got kicked off of it because of something that TradingView did not like that I had on there. So I'm kind of just chilling on that right now. We're just focusing on the actual skill. Okay. Um,
Mm-hmm.
they're asking another question. I'm just going to post it so you can read it.
Yeah.
Go ahead. It's on the screen.
Oh, you want me to see it?
The question's there, Ryan. Do you see
Oh,
it?
okay. Nah, because
You see
on
it.
my screen share I can't see it. So
Oh,
let me see.
my bad.
Um, yeah. See, look at you trying to play me. But Ryan, so you trade AU during the NY session. I know that you have stated that in the past that you like AU. So correct, dig wealth, my brother. Hopefully it's a brother. Um, yes, yes, yes. So I'll just be honest with you guys. This is my trade plan right here. Okay, this is me being 100% transparent, honest. Asian session, AJ, AU gold. Okay, New York session, AU NAS gold. What the hell is this doing? Oh yeah, I was messing with y'all, but so but AJ is no, right? It's AU, NAS, Gold, and DXY. Very simply all.
Mm-hmm.
So I just simplified my pairs based on my strengths and how I like to trade. And I will sometimes trade AU and AJ in Asian session,
Mm-hmm.
right? But more times than not, it will probably be AJ. Sometimes it's not AU. So,
Mm-hmm.
but just letting y'all know.
Gold is just consolidating too much for me to even. It's not giving me anything yet.
Gold.
Yeah, she's consolidating too much for me right now.
Yeah.
Um,
Gold's playing around.
she looks like she wants to be bearish. Um, we're gonna see because gold likes to play. She looks like she wants to be bearish though.
Mm-hmm.
Gold. Um, yeah. So let me see what time is it. 8:15. Let me see what Goldie Gold is doing.
You wanna share your gold?
She's overall bullish though, but no, I'm not giving a signal on gold because I feel like
No, I was
she's.
just showing the markup on it. But
Oh,
I know you like gold more than me. I'm just saying you do.
gold is a he. What's wrong with y'all?
Yeah, my students say that gold is a him.
And you
Because
was
it's
wrong about Digwell. It's a she's a she. Okay,
oh snaps.
you do that all the time to people. Just don't just
I do. I gotta stop doing it.
you.
It never works out in my favor. You feel me? It just
Uh-huh. Your Lord wants to
Lord help.
play. All right. So, y'all have any more questions? We can definitely answer them for y'all. Yeah, gold. You see how gold is overall bullish, but she's been ranging for the last couple of hours.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Joni says I've been marking up charts with the trend line trading concepts with great success. What's your opinion on this strategy? That's the book chose to read. Everybody has different opinions on trend lines, but my opinion, Joni, is that trend lines, because they're diagonal support and resistance, they have a lot more weight than horizontal support and resistance. So using trend lines and channels can definitely streamline your trading, right? So it is a good book to read. That's why it's in TTA. Honestly, all of the books and concepts inside of the free course are definitely helpful. A lot of my personal students are loving the content. So practice using trend lines, throughout a week, 2 weeks, and see if your analysis is stronger or less stronger as you trade. Okay. So we're just watching these trades play out, you guys. If y'all have any questions, we can definitely answer them for you.
Mm-hmm.
Let us know.
Let me see.
How do you know that a pair has exhausted its move for the day? I'd love to answer that for you.
That's a good question.
Awesome question. Okay, so in order to understand that, let me post your question up there because I want people to see me, Randall. Okay, so first things first is you want to get on an hour chart. Let me go to something like GU. You want to go to the hour chart and you want to turn on your session breaks. Okay, so depending on the pair, it doesn't matter with the pair, you need to know what time it moved. Right? You need to know what time it moves. So, for example, GU moves during London session. So by 1 a.m., you should be at your chart, or 1 a.m. Eastern, rather, because there's people that are not Eastern here. By 1 a.m., okay, this is an hour before London opens. We know that GU is going to move 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, possibly to about 11, 12 p.m. This is the time in which GU is going to give you a move every single day, right? After that, what happens? Consolidation. Price is exhausted for the day. There should be no trades taken on GU at this time. This is an absolute no-no. Look at the session before. This is Asian session. It's not the time to trade this. Look at right now. It's not the time to trade this, right? There's no volume in the market. There's no liquidity. There's nothing going on for this pair. Okay, so how you know how price is exhausted is making sure that you're at the right time on the chart looking at that pair. Okay. James, I don't understand your question. Okay, there's another question here. When price breaks out of structure and retest, what is your key signal to re-enter the trade? Price action. Sometimes price will pull back 2 or 3 times with fake outs to stop you out, then takes off. No, that's typically what's not going on. So you probably need to take a look at pattern. You probably just don't understand patterns. So sometimes, let's go to the M15. So I probably need to teach a class on what exactly is a fake out. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes I understand what you're saying when price will bounce a couple times and then go to the like this area right here. This was definitely a fake out. Right? They want to induce traders to sell, right? Or keep selling with this bearish engulfing candle or whatever it is that they'll do. You have to mark your charts properly in order to understand that, right? So I tell people all the time, if the one trade that you take, that's a loss, right? The one trade that you take that's an L is the trade that is changing structure, then okay. This faked you out. Okay, you might have lost right here, but then price turned around, retest, and took off. However, price is bearish, right? So how do you avoid this from happening at all, from getting faked out? Draw a price channel. Y'all, I did a whole like 2-hour class on this, right? Draw a price channel. I cannot stress this enough. This is exactly what I'm talking about. So if we have a parallel channel, it will save your tail. Because here we can see like, okay, we're in a downtrend. So we shouldn't be looking for buys anyway. And if we do take buys, they're going to be short-term buys, not long-term buys,
Oh,
because structures are bearish.
you're not
What?
sharing, Max.
I'm not sharing? Oh my
Mm-mm.
God. Sorry, y'all. Here we go. Can y'all see this? My bad. Let's go back here. My fault. All right. Now, as I was saying, I was looking here. So I was saying right here, you see how this right here was a fake out if you were looking to buy, right? So they were inducing traders to sell right here, right? And then simply pushed up. But all price was doing was respecting this channel. So you definitely want to come to like the hour time frame and draw a channel. It will save you every single time, right? Every single time, because this right here, you're not going to get caught up in these buys. What you're looking for is sells until what structure actually breaks out of the channel. If it does that, then okay, cool, we're buying now.
Mm-hmm.
Very simple. Okay. Um, okay, kudos to you, Adrian. What do I think of Bollinger Bands? Throw it in the trash. No.
I'm crying.
Can you guys do a back testing masterclass? We can. I have pro. You gotta search Ryan. Are there Ryan, any particular reason you chose two AUD pairs instead of different bases? He just likes the odd.
Yeah, I just love AUDs, though.
That's it.
It's just like my specialty. Like I really just love AUDs. I've been trading them for so long. I just understand them to the T, and I love the way they move. And I say, she knows bachata, and I say, you
Princess Rachel, this is the type of stuff that we'll be talking about
know?
in the intensive. This will take us several days to go over. So if anybody on the line tonight has this question about confluences, about entering and exiting trades, and what we use, that's something that will be taught in a paid master class. Um, what's our thoughts on smart money? We're gonna keep we're gonna keep this line friendly. Okay.
That's cool.
I'm gonna keep this line friendly. Ryan and I are not smart money traders, so you know, and there's no offense to anybody who um
Who trades like
trade
that?
that, right? But if you
Mhm.
really just break down and keep your stuff simple, simple technicals will help you see things to get in and out of trades with no problem. You know what I'm saying? So um can we do a class on, so let me write down what y'all need classes on, because y'all giving me a whole lot of stuff to do. Y'all say y'all need back testing.
The
What?
whole laundry
I'm
list.
really writing this down
The
because
whole laundry list. You feel me?
I'm making sure. Like,
Yeah,
they said they need back testing. What else y'all
yeah.
say y'all need? They want to know about pending orders.
Hmm.
There was another one. What's another one? Fake outs. All right. We got y'all. Okay. We got y'all. Fidencia said throw it in the trash. Let me tell y'all something. Indicators, I'll probably teach a class on that. I'll teach a class on that. Bollinger Band's not gonna work. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. All right. Um, but let me give y'all something else real quick. Hold on, let me make sure my screen is sharing. Buy limits and sell limits. That's inside the course, y'all. Different order types. That's under trading basics. So the different order types here, limits is basically when price is coming in a different direction, you place an order and then price reverses at that order at that limit. So we're looking for price to come down and shoot up from here, from whatever this price is, right? Sell limit, same thing. Price is shooting up. We're looking for price to reverse at this level. That's how you set limit orders. Okay. Buy stops and sell stops are continuation. So we're looking for price to continue past this price and shoot up. In a sell stop, we're looking for price to continue down. When we enter a certain price, it will automatically activate your trade. So these are not manual executions or market executions. Okay. The little triangle you see on our charts, that means that we posted a trade idea. Okay, so that's all that means. When you click the triangle, it'll take you to the trade idea that we posted. That's all that means. Okay. Okay. Fake outs are gonna happen, y'all. Like, you really can't avoid that. I need to go to my majors. Let me go to a different pair. You can't avoid the fake out. Fake outs are gonna happen. You just have to do your analysis and follow structure. What do I teach you guys in the market structure masterclass? Find the starting point, right? Find your starting point always on the chart, which is going to be your consolidation period. Wherever that is, that means a trend has begun from there. So we see out of this consolidation point, we have a push up. We have another level of consolidation. This is not my pair. I don't trade this, but I'm just kind of seeing what's going on here, right? We pushed up. Then we have market structures continuing. Now, this may look a little weird, right? On the 15-minute, right here, even though market structure is bullish, this is why I say draw a channel. Oh, somebody's hearing me. Like for real.
They hear you. Trust me.
Look at this. So if you don't have a channel drawn, let me take this away, or a trend line drawn, right? Look at what they do. And I say they, the market makers, look at what they want you to do. They want to induce you to sell, right? They're going to give you this fake M right here. You're going to think, oh, I see an M, whoop-de-doo. Let me sell this. Only for a price to shoot up and continue following market structure. Take out your stop loss, right? How do you avoid that from happening? Well, what you do is you draw a channel. The market is not going to push in the same direction over and over and over again. However, for you to stay in the trend as long as possible without getting faked out, you need to be able to see structure. Okay. Now, did we have an actual break of market structure and trend change? We absolutely did. Y'all get what I'm saying? Right? Okay. 9 times out of 10, fake outs are going to come during the most volatile sessions. So this looked like it happened around London into New York session. That's typical. But if we have identified market structure from before here, this is irrelevant. We're like, oh, we're not looking for sells anyway, so why would I take one? We're looking for this right here, not the M that formed during London, but we were looking for the bullish engulfing that came during New York. Y'all get that? That you just have to read the chart. We're not looking for this move. This is not the move. We're looking for this move. So if I come to London session and I see this, then there's no trade unless you're an advanced trader and you know how to trade these counter moves. Y'all get what I'm saying? So you can't, you just have to be advised. That's why I use channels. Everybody doesn't do it, and that's cool. And this is why some people are losing trades. I just have to say that, right? Because they don't know what's going on and they don't know structure. Unfortunately, you need to know your starting point. You need to know when you're in consolidation. You need to be able to read the chart without any indicators on it.
Mm-hmm.
Period.
Did you really have to say period at the end? Like, I'm just no, yeah, no, okay. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing?
Period.
What's up?
But yeah, that's it, y'all. I'm not really looking at nothing else. Looking to get into Geraldine during London session. I'm gonna let her warm up, get her face mask on, get her wig right for London, for me, and that's just what it's gonna be. But she is bullish though.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't like her price action at the moment. It just looks choppy. I don't like this. I need some clear candlesticks or something. Like some need to be clear up in here. I don't like the way this is looking, but she's bullish. JPYs are bullish. USD JPY has the better market structure for Asian sessions. So if y'all did get into UJ, UJ been trending really since yesterday. Looks good. There's news on NZD, so we're not really messing around with that. And this, we not doing this. AJ, Ryan already told y'all to buy that. Euro odd, we're in for the sell. What I gave you guys, we're just waiting on the break of structure.
Yeah.
And what else?
Mm-hmm.
JPN, she's given a multi-day W at support. This would have been a counter trend move, but JPN moves during Asian session. Let me see. After that engulfing candle, she moved about 181 points, 187 points. Good trade right there. So JPN is something that, every Asian session you can come study her. She definitely gives you some kind of move every Asian session for sure. Right? Look at this multi-day M. I like to see those. Right? So this multi-day W for sure. JPN is probably headed to the other side of the channel. All right. Can new traders trade GJ? You can trade anything that's on this list right here in Trading Basics in our free course. All of these pairs are tradable. On this list, you don't see the Dow, you don't see NASDAQ, you don't see gold, you don't see Bitcoin, you don't see anything that's super volatile, silver, you don't see stocks on here. All you see is just Forex.
Mm-hmm.
All you see is Forex. So you can trade anything on this list. We have already compiled for you the sessions, the times, and the pairs, and when they move. So listen, we've done 50% of the work for y'all.
That's a fact.
Yo, like
That's a fact.
this is a fact.
That's a fact.
Okay. I learned a lot tonight. Says okay. Love to see it. Right. So y'all will learn, trading is real chill, y'all. Like we just chilling right now. We
Mm-hmm.
just chill. Like on AJ, that's not my pair, but I could come to any chart for real and just draw a channel. Like, is this that simple? Like, okay, yeah, she bullish. Right. And so we're looking for buys until structure breaks. And at this moment, we're buying. Okay. I have to trade Asian. I tried New York. It's a big failure. I feel you. Okay. Thank you, Sarisa. We appreciate it. All right. Any more questions, you guys? Real quick before we get up out of here. Make sure y'all are following us on TradingView. All right, just come to your profile and search, and it's going to say symbols. So this is what you see in the search bar: symbols, ideas, scripts, people. Make sure you're searching people. And my handle is Coach Max, and Ryan's is Ryan Grimes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is my profile. Oh, I clicked the wrong thing, y'all. No, I didn't. Okay. All right. It's the years for me. Um. Okay. Yeah, trading, just real chill, get you a nice glass of wine, put the music on, nice little jazz or something, get your vibe right, and you chill. Now, before we get up out of here, I want to talk about the news. Please do not get yourself caught up in the news over the next few days. The market is going to be very volatile this week. We see on Wednesday, tomorrow, starting in London session, we have GBP news at 2 a.m. So you at least want to let the news pass. Then in the morning, so GU is your pair is going to be volatile for 2 sessions in a row. So please be advised, like when you have pairs on your trading plan, you need to look at Forex Factory, and there's another resource as well. Different economic calendars out there, but this is the one that I use. So you have the CAD. If you have CAD inside of your plan, CAD is going to be very volatile tomorrow. Then tomorrow evening, we have AUD news. Thursday, we have Euro news, and this is going to be big news because it's the ECB conference. So be careful on Thursday, excuse me, right? So you did this stuff like this to help you, avoid what to trade, stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Damien, absolutely. On the parallel channel, that the 50% of the channel is going to save you. So what I like to use, and I explained this in the master class that we did here. What day was that? What day did I teach channels to y'all? I don't remember. It might have been in the structure. It's in one of these classes. Y'all come find it. But the 50% of the channel is another area of support and resistance for sure. And also when you're counter trend trading, it's also a TP area. All right. No, that's not what I said, Rachel. You can buy and sell within the channel if this is like your only pair. What I'm saying is because the channel is ascending, then we should only be looking for buys for the most part. I trade with the trend. I don't really do all that kind of trend stuff. All right. Oh, thank you, Eric, for waking up at 2 a.m. Where you located at? Yes, Princess Rachel. Yes, this is what I'm glad you guys are seeing, that you need to adjust your trading plan. They thought they couldn't trade Asian session. Well, guess what? I've been trading Asian session for 4 years now.
That's a fact.
I mean, the market gonna give you pips. I mean, it's not like there's a blank space here, right? It's not like there's a whole blank space of candlesticks. The market does not start moving at 1 a.m. It starts moving at 5 p.m. Eastern. Period. Thank you, Barry. All right, Ryan, you could answer some questions and take over from here.
Let me see. Any other questions, y'all? Y'all got any questions for me before we let y'all go? Let me see. Right. Da-da-da-da. Any last questions? Let me see. How to figure MT4 stop loss. Let me see. How to configure MT4 to automatically stop loss and profit, Gilbert?
We got something for you.
You got something for you. You gotta, you gotta be part of TTA though.
Right.
Let me say that. You gotta be part of TTA for that. I'm gonna say something.
Send an email, Christy. I've been on vacation. I'm sorry, y'all. I've been on vacation. My daughter was sick last week. My baby was so sick. So I'm sorry if y'all been emailing and not hearing from me. I'm back at my desk now. So I'll be getting to that later. Thank you. You need to practice alerts, take profit, and stop loss. Yep. If y'all think this was informative,
Right. The 7-day.
yo,
Watch. The 7-day, y'all. What we already have planned for y'all, just the stuff we put together already, is crazy. Do y'all hear me?
Delvani, that's a Ryan question.
What?
The scalping.
Oh, let me see the finding. Hold on. Let me see. Can you pop it up? When are y'all gonna host a scalping? Oh, ooh. Talking fancy, the finding. I don't know. What I'll probably do is I'll probably do like a free scalping masterclass for the whole TTA at some point in time.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
not
definitely.
I'm not gonna put a date on it or anything because
Mm-hmm.
we do have a lot that we have going on, but I can say that I'm gonna do something for y'all as far as that goes. So,
Ryan Michelle has a question.
Michelle, if I draw up my chart on a 1 hour time frame, what's the best time frame to place the trade? And 30-minute is a great time frame, Michelle. 30 minutes. I believe for me, especially if you're a beginner or a newbie, I recommend you stick to the 30-minute and 1 hour for entries. Nothing less than the 30-minute. You know,
Great answer.
nothing less than that. Really, I would say the 1 hour won't really do you wrong. You have to be consistent. Get consistent on the 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
If you're struggling with consistencies, maybe you just need to up your time frame first.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're struggling, maybe it's because you're not taking your entries off the 30-minute or the 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Like you shouldn't really be even diving into the 15-minute or the 30-minute or the 5-minute. You can't even be consistent on 1 hour yet.
Talk to him.
You know what I'm saying? It's common sense for real. It seems logical, like, oh yeah. But the thing is, most people don't do it. Like, I mean, sometimes you just need to be told that. You know what I'm saying? Like some people are like, well, I guess I don't. Maybe I should. Yeah, maybe you should, buddy. So
Karen, if you go to the Trade Authority community, you can just join us for free at thetradeauthority.com. There is information on the 7-day training. I can actually share with y'all real quick.
okay. Share. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
So annoying, yo. Oh my god.
I'm sorry. Share it. I'm sorry. I'm like a 5-year-old sometimes.
Sometimes. Um, all right, so let's talk about the TTA intensive.
Yeah, let's talk about it. Yeah.
What will all be involved or started?
Because
So,
y'all better get in it.
yeah.
I'm
All
not going
right.
to tell you again.
So, um, Sunday, we're going to do a market overview and fundamental analysis. This will probably be in the evening time where we'll go over like fundamentals, getting ready for trading. Like you need to be able to set up your charts on Sunday. You are not a real trader until you get yourself in a place where you're getting started on Sunday. The weekends are not for hanging out until you're profitable.
Ooh, talk to me nice.
Giving y'all some real game. The
Talk to me
weekend is
nice.
gone for you until you
Talk,
become profitable.
talk
Okay.
to me nice.
You have to prepare your
Ooh,
charts for the week if you're going to really trade. All
ooh.
right. That means you're not coming to the chart an hour before, you're coming to the chart a week in advance
Mm.
to trade. Okay. So that's really, really important. And you need to be aware of your fundamentals and your economics. So we're going to talk about that. Monday, your trading plan needs to be complete. So y'all can go in a free course and download the trading plan, print it out, fill it out in pencil, do what you have to do, and get your trading plan together. We're going to talk about trade management, risk management, my FX books, and I'm going to do a free beginner masterclass for everyone, not just those in the paid community, but we're going to break some stuff down on that class. Okay, so that's going to be your Monday. Tuesday, we'll do a live trading session. We'll do a New York session. We're going to give you signals. I posted in the Trade Authority today how you guys can follow me and Ryan on Telegram. We drop signals all the time and they slap every single time. So make sure y'all are following, as well as the intraday markups, which you guys will need to follow us on TradingView for just to stay organized. Wednesday, we'll do another Asian session just like this one. We'll have signals again and give you markups again. Thursday, we're going to do advanced concepts. Signals. You guys are getting a lot of charts from a chart time
A
from
lot
us.
of value.
A lot of value, a lot of chart time from us. Friday, we're going to do our first Trade Authority Forex and Chill for only those in the intensive. Yo, if y'all know anything about me and Ryan, we throw the best online parties. We're going to hang out, talk trading, talk life, talk whatever with you guys, listen to some music and have a good time Friday night, right? Saturday, we're going to do a trading review of all of our weekly trades. So we won, we lost. You know, you need to evaluate yourself, kind of remove your emotions, and just, you know, look at what went well and duplicate that for the next week. This is how you become a 6 and 7 figure trader. So that's going to be the intensive. Okay. Period.
That sounds amazing to me.
It does.
It does. Really does.
It does. Period.
Well,
Don't waste my time. That's all I'm saying. I'm just saying that, like, don't waste my time. Like, people gotta understand. I saw some stuff on social media today, and people was like mentioning me and Ryan's name. They're like, "Yo, like, we're not here for the games. We just want to teach. We just want y'all to learn. We want more stories. We want to have fun, and we just want to be profitable and make money with y'all. Like, that's it. Everything else, we record everything.
You can miss us with everything else.
Legit.
Everything else, yo. People talking about MLMs that we're not even in anymore.
Yo, I swear to God, I can't.
Like, yeah. This is 2022. Do y'all hear me? Okay. All right. Anyway.
So yeah, next week gonna be fun.
Of course.
I'm be honest with y'all. Like, I'm at a place and point in my life where, you know, it's gonna sound crazy, but I don't have time to be chilling. You know, like, I'm just really on the charts all day, and like, y'all gonna see.
You really are though. No funny stuff. You really are, yo.
I just trade.
Like, I'll hit up Max like, yo, sis, what you doing? She be like, bag testing. I've been back testing for like 5 hours. Or GJ.
Yo,
you got to see this weekly move I caught. I'm like, can you just relax? Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Really about that life.
We doing some new things for sure. If you guys go inside of TTA, see a lot of people asking questions about how to find this. So there's already an overview. If you bought the course, there's an overview breaking down what's going on inside of the course. There's content will come. Again, it's not time yet. But if you go to topics and you go to trading, is it resources? There's some information here, but there's also, I think it's in announcements. In the announcements, I've posted, I know for a fact. No, it was tips today. Sorry, y'all. Tips. Yeah, so I posted here that you can follow me and Ryan's trade ideas on these Telegram channels. Okay, I see Kelly had said she made a little extra last night on one of my signals. You guys definitely want to be following our channels because we drop signals all the time. The other place that you'll get our signals from is going to be inside TradingView. So again, you log into TradingView and you're going to come to the search bar. Okay, so that means when you're on your chart, if you're on charts or whatever, you can click here, or you can just go to these three lines, go to your profile right here, go to profile, and then go to the search bar. Go to your profile and go to the search bar. You're going to be able to find me and Ryan. Okay. And if y'all missed our first intensive, I mean, y'all, we just getting started. Like, we just getting started.
Nah, we're not doing another one ever again. You know? Who wants to do another one?
Funny.
Anyway, y'all. Y'all good? I think I mean we can rock with y'all until for a little bit longer.
Yeah, they want to check on the trades. I mean,
I'm still holding my AJ.
Yeah, AJ is good.
I'm still holding it.
Euro odd didn't break my level yet. Oh, wrong chart.
Yeah, wrong chart. Yeah.
Okay, I set an alert here. Okay. And I posted the chart on my TradingView and inside my channel, my TradingView channel. So it didn't even break my level yet. Okay, but structure is still bearish. Okay.
Okay.
Right, so these two trades we're in, and if you took any of the JPY trades that I suggested, they're all valid, except for NZD because news is about to happen. So I don't trust this one. But all the JPYs are bullish. The Euro NZD is doing the same thing as Euro odd, so they're bearish. AJ is bullish, and JPN definitely was bullish. Simple stuff, y'all. Kevin says solid session as always. Thank you, guys. Thank you, LaCrissa. Shout out to my girl, LaCrissa, one of my private students. All I'm saying is I am going to create 12 six-figure traders out of the Trade Authority, me personally. I don't know what Ryan's number is, but my number is 12. So I'm going to have 12 new six-figure traders, y'all. I don't know who y'all are, but I need y'all to come through because your homegirl's tired. Trying to relax.
Tell me how you really feel. Okay.
I'm trying to birth some new traders. Y'all want to pass the baton?
She said, okay.
She said, because I'm tired. Okay. I need to put my feet up. Okay. Lisa, you don't count. All my personal students, y'all don't count. Y'all cheating. Dr. Rod, all y'all cannot comment. But that's right, Janice. Claim it, girl. Ariel, claim it, girl. Six-figure traders, period. Richard, I can tell you right now that Ryan's going to say ew to the Swissy. You don't want.
Ew. Did he just ask me something about the Swiss? No, no. Come on.
I just know you so well.
Yeah. Well, you want me to vomit on camera?
He didn't see it. You didn't
No,
see
I
it.
didn't see it. But just the fact that you knew is hilarious to me.
I just knew what you was gonna say. Oh my gosh. He don't trade nothing with the Swiss.
Well, just throw the whole pair away. That's what you need to do. Don't even ask me about it. Just throw the whole pair away. It'll save you some trouble.
Why do you look so upset right now? It was just a simple question.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, you pushed my nerves, man. Like,
You just really got mad.
Yo, I really did, yo. I haven't traded that pair in so long because I remember trading that pair. And I'm like, why is it doing this nonsense? Like, ugh.
Ernest said,
so
why you
yucky.
hating on the Swiss?
Yeah.
Right.
This is not a good pair.
Period.
It whipsaws way too much.
Yo, y'all are funny. That's right, Mika. Claim it. That's what we like to see. Shane, you want to have a conversation? What kind of conversation you want to have with me, Shane? You trying to talk to me? Like how you want to talk? What kind of talk you want to have, Shane?
I'm crying.
What kind of talk are you trying to have? You want to message me in TTA? You can. I'll be checking my messages. Okay.
I'm crying. All right. This is not Forex Tinder, okay? All right. To get you a room.
I'm being funny. You play too much. I know this is not Forex Tinder.
Someone should make one though. That's $1 million idea right there.
I'm about to get my developers ready. Okay, all the traders who have big lots, holla at your girl.
It's time that we go, y'all. All right. It was a great session, was it not, y'all? It was a great session. Now it's time for Ryan to take over. All right. Because I think it's getting too late. It's 9 o'clock. You feel me?
I'm just looking for the dudes who trade 5 lots.
Anyway, what we're going to do.
Do y'all feel me? Okay.
I'm gonna show y'all this AJ setup for the last time. Okay. All right, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And
it's the big loss for me.
And here we go. All right, AJ's still holding my structure, as you guys can see. So I still like it overall, as long as it really maintains the structure. I do have it popping at least a good TP1, TP2, as you guys can see. Alrighty, very simple. Okay, so as long as it holds the structure, we're pretty good. I'm thinking by like 9:30, it should start to really move up here. It is, kind of consolidating a little bit, pulled back, kind of gave us some nice little fake out, but I'm thinking next hour, 2 hours, we should be good on these trades. So, all right. Beautiful people, y'all good?
Y'all comments is taking me out.
Right? Y'all giddy? All right. So, Maxine, do you have any last words for the people?
They said women are now asking what your lot size is now. Period. That's what I'm talking about, friends. That's it. This is where we at. This is where we at with it. Like, period.
I'll just mute Max. on behalf of the Trade Authority,
First of all, I'm not done talking.
we thank y'all for coming.
Who said
We thank y'all for coming.
could you chill? Because we're having a real conversation right now about lot
No,
size.
we're not. No, we're not.
Okay.
It is time to end the broadcast.
We're just gonna do this next Friday on Forks and Chill, and I'm gonna have my conversation. Okay.
Okay, have
because
it on Friday.
Let me make it public right now. If you want a 0.01 and you on demo, don't hit me up. That's it.
Anyway, y'all. My head hurts.
No. Now.
Y'all see what I have to deal with?
I'm just keeping it 100. I'm speaking up for all of the trading women out there. We just want real lots. That's all we want. We don't want the cap or the gown. Like, we just don't want that. Okay? We want the real lots. That's it. See them in the chat, period. With a T. Real talk. Okay? Now, there is a standard lot required.
Right, look at Ariel. Right. Look at Ariel. The funny part is I met half of y'all, like Kristen, you feel me, Ariel, like Keisha, like Adrian, like y'all are something else. Y'all are something else. Let me tell y'all.
Oh my god, y'all are so funny.
Something else.
I love having fun with y'all like this. I love it. Okay, you can finish what you were saying on behalf of
Bye, y'all. See ya. Bye.